haters. I have haters here. Thank you for coming to my channel. Greetings, greetings, greetings. This is Beauty ETC. I'm a makeup enthusiast, I'm a makeup artist, and I love all things beauty. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am so happy to have you here. Please subscribe, please like, thumbs up my video, and please leave a comment. Say something nice, say something sweet. I'd really appreciate it if you've been here from the get-go and you watch my videos. Thank you so much. In this video, I will be showing you how I achieved this simple matte look. Matte, it only has a little bit of shimmer in the inner corner, but the rest of it is, I just played with matte colors, and I only used one palette. I used two palettes actually. None other than the Juvia's Place palettes, the Warrior 2 palettes and the Warrior palettes. Beautiful, 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 well-loved palettes to achieve this chocolate, beautiful fall look, okay? All right, the first palette that I used is none other than the Warrior 2 palette with these beautiful, I call it the Northern palette because it has all the northern names in it: Yodit, Kufuru, Walzana, Daura, Zama, Jamata, Shawata, Kana. Maybe these are Fulani names, I don't know, but these are northern names, okay? So I used Kufuru, which is this, and I used Yodit. I also used Zama for my cheeks. I basically played around with this palette, so if you watch the next clip, you'll see how I did that. I also went into the Warrior palette to get Bakwa. This is another northern palette because we have names like Idia, Mino, Amina, Ahosi, Kano, and whatnot. But I used Bakwa and I also used Idia as, I lied. I used Dahomey as a highlight on my cheeks just to give me that rusty look, because again, this is a fall look. So if you would like to see how I achieved this beautiful look, please stay tuned. Oh, for my lips, before I forget, I used the BM Pro Pumpkin Spice lip color. I used a brown lip liner by the Godly Glow for my lips, to line the lips, because, excuse me, just using it on my lips alone, it didn't look right. So I used the liner, and do you like it? What are some of the looks that you like to create for the fall? Do you actually keep with the trend? Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you again for stopping by. Please enjoy the video and see you in my next video. Love you. Up close and personal. Let's go. Eyes. Now it's time to blend with a blending brush. I take what I see. is about. So basically not disturbing, lay down, just going around the edges to blend everything in so it doesn't look like a stark line or line of demarcation. No more interruptions because I am about to do my video. Okay?
I'm leaving.
Don't leave. Please stay. I love you.
Ciao. Anyway, so